Good morning everybody, and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to go help out a buddy with a Cummins Ram like mine, but it's deleted though, which I'm kind of jealous of because I wish my truck was deleted. But check out his truck here and let's get rolling. My buddy's 2010 Ram deleted. Sounds pretty good. It's 4-inch turbo back. It sounds good. It's a straight pipe all the way to the turbo. As you can see, both of us installed this a couple of years ago. It runs good. Some of the lines that have to be cut from the exhaust. I highly recommend deleting. I can't wait to do my truck. Every time I ride this truck, I can't wait to do mine. I tell him he has to lift it, but he's not a big person to lift this truck. So he'll keep it this height. It's more functional this way for him. Still though. Right now it's not too bad. So there's the cord that we're installing. Supposedly every truck has the block heater, but they charge you $400 just for this cord for the option. At the dealership. How much did you pay for this? $24.98. And was that on sale?
Nope.
No. Well, you got ripped then for buying sale. Huh. So, do you see the spot where you got installed at? Oh, okay. He deleted the entire truck, but still has the components left on this truck. This truck never had a DEF tank on it. It just had the regeneration tank on it, or regen tank. Not regeneration. But there's a little light that comes on when it regens, right, Dan?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, but not now.
No, not now, but before.
Yeah.
Can you see the spot on there?
You check the GPS. No, not yet.
Do you want that that big light we have? It's on there. Where is it at, Dan?
All right, if you run your hand up the oil filter, and down below, up the oil filter a little bit to the left, when you almost get to the top of the filter, you probably can't see there.
Let me get the brighter light on there. On there. Real quick.
The end of it almost looks like a garden hose cap. Get to the top of your filter, run your hand up your filter right to the left, facing towards your engine. It's right there. It's a black cap. Take it off here for you so you can see. Right there.
Oh yeah.
That's the cap. That's where the cord plugs in, screws in. And you got to run from there. Run your cord right out the front.
Whichever is the best path for it.
Yeah, well, from the factory,
they run it to the bumper. Mine's right in the middle by the tow hooks. Yeah. So it probably runs down this frame rail. You could probably put some zip ties or something so it doesn't move down the frame rail, run it over. There's the plug on my truck for the block heater. So I'm under my truck looking how they ran the cord on mine. Here's the cord right here, and it looks like they do go pretty much down the frame rail on the truck, because this is the cord right here. So yep, they do. They run it right down the frame rail. on the truck. Oh, you got it? As you can see, Dan's trying to reach his hand up there to tighten it. And then you gotta figure, this wasn't with installation. He paid $24. If you bought it at the dealer, it would have been $400. And then they would probably charge you like 4 hours, like Dan said, to install it. Which probably, what do you think ShopRite's going for right now? 100 bucks an hour?
Something.
So they would make this into like an $800 option by that point. I might be, it'll probably be kind of tight for me to get my hand across right here.
Just tighten it up.
It looks like they run one line a little bit differently on my truck that they run the actual cord on.
Yeah.
On my truck when you look at it. Did you get her plugged in?
Yep.
Nice. I guess we can find some spots to zip tie. There's a line going here you might be able to do a zip tie on too. It's supposed to get cold now. You're gonna test it out in the morning?
Only way to know if it works.
You should hook it up to the Wi-Fi like I did with my truck. Do you like that idea? No? Why not? It makes life a lot easier.
So does the timer.
Well, it has a timer on your phone and you can control it. You can set the timer and not have to worry about it on the app for it as well.
Sounds like. Yeah, for a GoPro.
Here, maybe I'll sit right there. Oh, do you want me to come grab it? Let me see if I can fit. I don't think I'll be able to.
Anywhere up top there? Down from up top?
Let me see if I can see anything. Your radiator's a little bit different than mine. There's an actual space in between mine than yours. Because on mine, they have that ram air thing, which I think they angled them differently.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it.
They're trying to slide it all the way up there. Maybe we should do the tiny end down first.
It's the same diameter. It's alright.
Let me see if I can see it where it's at. Okay, I see the plug. Kick up a little more. Wait a minute. Wait. Yeah, it's up on by the grill. It's a little. Let me see where my hand is. All right, wait a minute. I got it. Wait, almost had it. I have it right here. Yep. I gotta just finagle it real quick. All right, I have it out. That's coming right out next to your tow hook, right in the side. Oh, perfect. You can put this back on then. I can't hold the camera at the same time. Oh, are they or no? There should be a spot or a hose you can just hook on. Pepper. Jeez, of course, pepper. Really. So used to saying that. Come, Bill. What? Oh, sorry, dog. Sorry, Bill. It's hanging all the way through. Yeah, you can grab one. Alright. Oh, okay, that's a good spot.
Until I'll get one of those.
Yep.
I'll zip it up here. If I get the little clamps, the push pin clamps that push into the holes in the frame, I can do it right here. There's a couple holes for it. That's probably
what they're meant for. You could probably get them off of Amazon or eBay real cheap. See how big our trucks are. Mine is. Yeah, it is kind of cold, isn't it? There you go. Of course, it's on backwards. That was an easy install, wasn't it? When I was standing here watching anyway. Yeah, I put that cap on backwards at first, and then I fixed it. Now it's on right. Did you get it snugged up pretty good?
Yeah, I think it's getting too close, but it's not that close.
Oh, that's all right. I mean, I know you're gonna fix it later. It's just sitting here for now until you adjust it.
Yeah, I need to get protected.
Yeah, you didn't want to put it too tight until you got the protective cover. It's just for now. Hey Dan, your oil pan has a little bit of oil on the
I
bottom.
saw that. It's probably from where it spilled out.
When you changed the oil.
Yeah, that's what
Well, just clean it off, I guess, and just double check it, huh? Do you have a rag? Do you want me to wipe it off? Alright.
I
So,
changed the oil, probably from that.
oh, okay. What kind of oil did you use this time last time? The Shell Rotel? Yeah, you've used this in the entire time you've ever in this truck. Pulls the trailer good, huh? You think it's better than my truck?
Absolutely.
So what, it's service trailers on? It's the service, the trailer tow command thing.
Trailer, roller.
And what, every time you reset the battery, it works?
I think because it probably happened when
So what do you think, this will be a new segment for me to stop here, see what Buddy Dan's up to? What is he fixing now? Huh. You want me to grab my tools and get this one off too? Or on my truck, each side seems to be a different size for some stupid reason. There's a lot of corrosion on these, jeez. What are you gonna do? I don't even think my batteries have covers on them like yours. You know?
That's extra.
That's for the Longhorn or Bighorn edition.
It really is extra.
Yeah, I believe they charge
battery
you.
blankets, they call them.
It's like what, $200 a blanket, probably, huh?
New batteries, right?
I know, that's an interstate battery. He bought it on the interstate. When was the last time you changed your air filter in this? You seriously? You never changed the air filter ever? What, 50,000 miles on your air filter?
58,000 or 59,000.
On this air filter?
Mm-hmm.
Have you checked it?
Nope. I did once.
Oh god.
Twice, probably twice.
Well, she seems to run good though. Huh. And stupid me, I put a K&N on mine that you have to clean each like 12,000 miles or more. You have to get special stuff to clean it. You have to leave it sit and dry after you clean it. And then once you put the stuff on, you have to leave it sit again.
My last truck had it.
Yeah.
That, you know, with the filter
I
cap
could,
on, it's supposed to grab the stuff out of the air.
yeah.
Filter oil.
Yeah, but supposedly you got to be careful with diesels with oil filters. They say they're better with dry filters, but in my motorcycles, I always had an oil filter because it picked up the dirt better. So, I don't know. What do you think? How long should let it set off for? 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
This is nuts.
What?
I unplugged the battery, it won't let my key out.
Seriously?
I'm trying to get out. Don't break it.
I won't break it, but the key won't come out at all.
Don't, just pull it.
Ugh. What is it? It's in park too, right?
It's in park. Nothing's changed.
What if you put the parking brake on? Mine did that once, where I put the parking brake on and the key came out. No?
Just leave it. It's all right.
Wow, that's crazy. Pull the parking brake, don't forget. That's weird. What do you think keeps the key in there?
Can you shut the door?
Yeah. Watch out, Bailey.
Firewood, it's too late. Huge.
Was she scared of it? Crazy Bailey. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe. There'll be some more videos coming soon. See you guys around.